Morning student. Now today we will do the question number 3 of the exercise 2.1. Question number 3 is give one example of a binomial of degree 35 and a monomial of a degree 100. Now we have to give one example of a binomial of degree 35. Binomial means द्विपद. आपने एक ऐसे द्विपद को ध्यान देना है जिसकी डिग्री क्या 35 है. एंड अ मोनोमियल मीन्स एक पदी जिसकी डिग्री क्या है आपकी 100 है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ से आ जाएगा आपके पास बाइनोमियल BINOMIAL बाइनोमियल ऑफ डिग्री 35 इज इक्वल टू बाइनोमियल यू विल राइट हियर. बाइनोमियल मीन्स द्विपदी लिखना है जिसमें दो पद हो. ठीक है, बाइनोमियल इज दैट अलजेब्रिक एक्सप्रेशन इन विच हैज टू टर्म्स. तो वी विल राइट हियर x raised to power 35 plus 10. ठीक है, this expression is the binomial because it has two terms. One is this and second is this, and the degree is 35. Now we will write the monomial of degree 100. Now we will write here monomial 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 of degree 100. monomial means एक पदी. ठीक है, the algebraic expression which has only one term is called the monomial. Here we will write the y raised to power 100. You can take any variable y, z, a, b, c which has the power 100. This is the monomial. This is example of binomial of degree 35 x 35 plus 10 x or y or z. Any variable you can take here like this. This is the example of monomial of degree 100 y raised to power 100. Now question number 4. Write the degree of each of the following polynomial. Now first part is 5x raised to power 3 plus 4x raised to power 2 plus 7x. This is the polynomial in the variable x. And what is the degree of the polynomial? The highest power of the variable in the polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. In this polynomial, the highest power of the degree of the variable x is 3. This is 3, this is 2, this is 1. Then therefore the highest power is 3. We will write here in this polynomial I and in this polynomial PLNOMIL polynomial, the highest power 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 of the variable x is 3. Therefore the degree of the polynomial is 3. ठीक है. Now in the second part, this is the polynomial in the variable y. So therefore in this polynomial the highest power of the variable y is 2. Variable y is 2. So therefore the degree of the polynomial is 2. Now third part, this is the polynomial in the variable t, 5t minus square root 7. ठीक है, तो therefore in this polynomial the highest power of the variable t, this is the variable t, is 1. So therefore the degree of the polynomial is 1. Here fourth part, 3 can be written as 3 into x raised to power 0 or y raised to power 0 or z raised to power 0. Any variable you can take. Because the variable is denoted by x, y, z, any alphabets. So here you will write any alphabet here. Something raised to power 0 is equal to 1. So therefore 3 into 1 is equal to 3. In this polynomial the highest power of the variable x is 0. So therefore the degree of the polynomial is 0. Thank you.